is that of the moon. In Shotri Dasha, the moon follows the sun. And moon is the eighth lord. Moon is also the planet which is the cause of Balarishta. And it was the moon Dasha when the illness of this child became manifest. This child had a cancerous lesion of his left eye. A cancer of the left eye, which became manifest sometime in the Dasha of moon Jupiter. And if you consider this Jupiter here, Jupiter is the lord of the Lagna, moon is the lord of the 8th house. So Mahadasha of the 8th lord, Antardasha of the Lagna lord. So 8th lord, Lagna lord, 8th lord, Lagna lord, Dasha of the 8th lord and Dasha of the Lagna lord. 8th, you all know, indicates real great suffering, it indicates death, it indicates incurable disease, it indicates chronic disease, it indicates complicated disease and so on. And when you have the Dasha of the 8th lord and the Dasha of the Lagna lord, obviously the health is going to suffer, particularly when both these house lords are not well placed. The moon is placed, the Mahadasha lord in the 6th house and highly afflicted, while the Lagna lord is also afflicted in a way. But if you consider from the moon, when you are analyzing the Mahadasha of a planet, that planet you consider as the Lagna, or the pivotal point or the important point. And from here, if you see, then Jupiter is the 8th lord in the 2nd house. So from moon, Jupiter is the lord of the 8th house. From the Mahadasha lord, you have the sub-period of the 8th lord, and therefore that is also not very good. That was the time when the ailment manifested. And one point that you need to remember is that whenever an illness occurs because of the involvement of the 8th house, then there is also an element of delay in the diagnosis, because 8th is a secret house, and the secret house means that whatever this house will indicate, the results will manifest later on, not immediately. They will take some time to manifest, and therefore the disease generally progresses to some extent before it becomes manifest. But it will manifest because 8th house is the house of scandals also. What is scandals? Scandal is something that remains hidden for a while and then comes out. That is what it is. The disease will remain there and scandal then becomes unmanageable. So, disease occurs, it remains hidden for a time, for a while, and then it becomes manifest at a time when the total cure is either difficult or impossible. And of course, the child eventually died in the moon Mercury period. Moon planet, 8th lord, afflicted, and the cause of this Balarishta. And Mercury is a Maraka lord, the 7th lord, in the 7th house. From the moon, it is the 2nd lord in the 7th house, associated with the 8th lord Jupiter. So, moon Mercury, whenever you have a bad Dasha order, moon Jupiter, followed by moon Saturn, which is not a very pleasant planet, then followed by Mercury. Then after Mercury also you will have Ketu, then Venus, which is afflicted. So when the Dasha order is not good for recovery, one does not need to reach the last Dasha possible. The death generally occurs fairly soon, and he died in moon Mercury. So this is one example of a classical Balarishta, where the classic says death will occur soon after birth, but then it did not occur soon after birth because there is some little protection there, and then this became subservient to the Dasha order, and therefore you have to judiciously apply this Dasha to the Balarishta combinations. Yes, please.
You said she died of cancer in the left eye.
Yeah.
I think the left eye is quite clear in this, but how is cancer to be explained from this?
Left eye is not clear. Actually, right eye is from the 2nd house, and any planets which are in the 2-8 axis, they affect the right eye. Similarly, the left eye, any planets in the 6-8, 6-12 axis, they affect the left eye. Cancer, going into the actual diagnosis of it, you see, you have to go and find out what are the combinations for cancer and what are the combinations for that particular cancer. But then, when we say cancer which proved lethal, we actually mean that it was an incurable, life-threatening illness. And it was incurable, life-threatening because there is such a strong biological combination and such an adverse dasha order which indicated all that. Obviously, from the horoscope, this disease we call as the retinoblastoma, and from the horoscope, we are not in a position to give that histological diagnosis.
There is a planet exchanging between 5th house and 6th house. I mean Mars and Venus. Did it do any help?